Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to exit recovery mode on your iPhone 17. If your iPhone is stuck on the recovery mode screen showing the laptop and cable icon, don't worry. In most cases, you can fix it in less than a minute without losing any data. Let's get started. Step 1. Disconnect the iPhone. First, unplug your iPhone 17 from any computer or charging cable. Make sure nothing is connected to the phone before you continue. Step 2. Force restart the iPhone. Now we're going to force restart the device. Follow these button presses carefully and fairly quickly. First, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then, press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even after the screen turns black. Do not release it too early. Continue holding until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Once the Apple logo shows up, you can release the button. Your iPhone should now boot back into iOS normally. And that's it! Your recovery mode issue should be fixed. If recovery mode returns. Now, if your iPhone goes right back into the recovery mode screen after restarting, that usually means the iOS software on the device may be corrupted. In that situation, you'll need to reinstall iOS using a computer. You can do this using a Mac running Mac OS Catalina or later, or a Windows PC with iTunes installed. Keep in mind, reinstalling the software may require restoring the device, so it's always best to have a recent iCloud backup or computer backup available first. Hopefully this helped you get your iPhone 17 out of recovery mode. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.